The pink bird and its greed. One day, a beautiful pink bird was flying and playing in a large forest. In one corner of the forest, there was a big mango tree with many ripe mangoes hanging from its branches. The bird flew to the top of the tree and saw that the mangoes looked very sweet. It really wanted to eat them, but below the tree there was a small, thirsty crow sitting, struggling to find water. The crow looked up at the pink bird and said, "Friend, if you could drop a mango down for me, I could eat and regain some strength to find water." At first, the pink bird thought about helping the crow, but soon greed began to grow in its heart. It thought, "I want to eat these sweet mangoes myself. Why should I give them to someone else?" So, the bird decided not to share the mango and started eating it on its own. But suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew, and the bird was swept away. It fell far away from the mango tree and couldn't eat those sweet mangoes anymore. The disappointed crow went off again in search of water. The pink bird realized that if it had helped the crow, things would have turned out better for both. From this, the bird learned a valuable lesson. Greed harms even one's own good fortune. Moral: greed can cause you to lose everything. Helping others always brings good results.